How to connect Eero to Xfinity Modem. Connecting an Eero mesh network directly to an active Xfinity wireless gateway triggers an immediate double NAT conflict that destroys your wireless speeds and causes severe device drops. To unlock full throughput, you have to bypass Xfinity's internal routing layer entirely. Today we are unlocking the hidden gateway configurations and mapping out the precise step-by-step pipeline to establish the clean mesh bridge. So open the Xfinity app on your smartphone, tap the Wi-Fi tab, select View Wi-Fi Equipment, open Advanced Settings, and tap Admin Tool Online Access. Slide the toggle to allow Admin Tool access and hit Save. Next, open a browser, and next open the browser on a connected device. Navigate to the address that is default for your particular router or modem, and log in using the username admin and the password found on your gateway's bottom sticker. In the left-hand sidebar menu, select Gateway, click At a Glance, and next to the bridge mode, click Enable, and then confirm with OK. Once the gateway reboots, its internal Wi-Fi radios shut off completely. And now for the critical physical setup. On the back of your Xfinity gateway, especially on XB7 or XB8 models, locate Ethernet port 4, which is clearly marked with a distinct red streak. Do not use the standard ports. Plug a high-quality Cat6 cable directly into that red port and run the other end straight into either port on your primary Eero gateway. Then on Eero, you open their app as well, tap Get Started, and follow the prompts. If your Eero network fails to pull an IP address, simply just power cycle both and wait for about 60 seconds to force a fresh handshaking cycle. That is it, guys. Click subscribe if this helped and like the video.